Hello everyone, welcome back. Next topic in basic JavaScript. Use the conditional or ternary operator. The conditional operator, also called ternary operator, can be used as a one-line if-else expression. The syntax is condition, question, expression if true, colon, expression if false, semicolon. The following function uses an if-else statement to check condition. Function find greater a and b. So if in if-else it can be written as this. This can be rewritten using the conditional operator as this. Return a is greater question a is greater if true, b is greater if false. Let's see the task for this challenge. Use the conditional operator in the check equal function to check if two numbers are equal or not. The function should return either equal or not equal. So use the conditional operator in check equal function to check if two numbers are equal or not. So first return whatever be the result will be returned a triple equal b equal if true else not equal. Let's run the tests and it's successful. Download my solution and thanks everyone for listening and watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.